again it divided into two parts. Until it creates single element. Finally, it changes the element. Firstly, we can say low to high is a global array to be sorted and open rest. If low less than high, then if there is more than one element, then divided into two subproblems. Mid is equal to low plus high by 2. That is med sort low comma high. We can find sort one subset. Next med sort mid comma high. We can sort another subset. Med sort low comma high and close this. Example for next sort. You can take example. This is the elements 9, 3, 7, 5, 6, 4, 8. We have index values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the low. And this is high. We can divide it into this array subparts. First, this is the first part. This is the second part. This first part is. Story we can apply this formula low less than high. Low less than high formula it is equal to low plus high by 2. In this array, in this we have mid value it is equal to low plus high by 2. This is the first part. This is the second part. In this we have 8 index values. Mid value is equal to low value is equal to 1 plus high value is 8 by 2. That is equal to 9 by 2.
కంచె వెలిగించారు అకస్మాత్తుగా అరణ్యం ఏంటని నేను చెప్తున్నాను కదా ఈ దేవి ప్రేత బాధితమని ప్రేత బాధిత అని చెప్పి అవి
until we have take single element.
Drone.
After that, we have single element. We match it into two arrays. What is the less than? P is less than 9. So we can first write it. After matching, second part will be same process. 6, 4, 8.
అరణ్యంలో వైపు వస్తుంది
This is divided into two parts. In these two parts we have. This is the two elements. This we have first part and second part.
తీసుకుని
Each a single element. In this single element we match it into array. After this, we match it into two is the less than. This is the low.
ఏమిటి
The final sort is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8.
ఒక ఆశ్రయం వెతుకున్నాం ఈ తుఫాను తీవ్రంగా ఉంది ఇది కాకుండా ఇంకోటి ఎదుర్కొని ఎందుకంటే ఇదంతా ఉంది కదా తుఫాను షూట్ చేసుకోవాలని కూడా అడిగింది
Time complexity is log log of n. Phase complexity is log n. Timing. So this is the example. It is the array is until each single element we can measure it, and the final finite sorted array is this. And this is the example for, and this is the advantage of efficient for large